If you are traveling to Dumaguete and nangita kag aesthetic, lindot na ambience, and very cozy na cafe, then save this video for your next travel guide. Hey guys, Kenneth here. And we visited Cafe Maria in Dumaguete City. And they are located sa Fatima Village, Piapi, Dumaguete City. This is a cafe and museum, and this is what the place looks like inside. And it is so beautiful. It's well interiored, and we love the vibes here. Nasa sila outdoor and alfresco dining na gwapa kaayo. Mao din nilang menu guys, so please pause lang for your reference. And this is what we ordered. We tried their bestseller na cassava cake, na lami kaayo, and balance ra iyahang sweetness. We also tried their hot Spanish latte coffee na so-sora ang lasa. Narasad parking para sa inyong mga motor o sakyanan. So guys, if you are traveling to Dumaguete City, then include Cafe Maria in your bucket list. And salamat sa pagtanaw!